What is involved in a lap band procedure? If you've been trying to lose weight by yourself and nothing seems to work, or if you've been clinically diagnosed with a weight disorder, you may have done some research on various surgical procedures that will help you to lose weight. One of these, of course, is the lap band procedure, but you might be a little bit unclear about what exactly happens during it. Before any type of procedure can take place, you will have to be screened to find out if you are in fact a candidate. Much like LASIK laser eye surgery, you will have to you will have a variety of tests done, such as blood tests, and you will be in a consultation with several experts to properly ascertain whether or not this is the right thing for you. After all, you wouldn't want to just have the lap band procedure only to discover that it will do more harm than good, or do nothing at all, depending on your health. That said, let's say you've met with the experts, got your pre-screening done, and have been told that you are able to have the procedure. What is next? Well, essentially, the purpose of the lap band procedure is to create a small pouch that will help limit both food intake as well as slow digestion. The idea here is that you are aided in your weight loss goals without the need for chemical or pills that will artificially suppress your appetite. You are simply eating less and feeling full longer, without potential and harmful side effects. Speaking personally, I've never been a fan of the lose weight with a pill idea, and this is a way to train your stomach as well as help your willpower. And unlike pills, the treatment can be modified as you go by your doctor with an increase or decrease of saline solution into the pouch. That said, you might wonder exactly what will happen the day of the lap band procedure. The procedure itself is designed to last between 30 minutes to 1 hour and is done under general anesthesia. Although you can opt to not have any anesthesia, much like getting your wisdom teeth out, I'd recommend it as there is some discomfiture in any case. A small band is put it through incision, which is typical 1 cm in diameter. The band is then fitted around the upper part of the stomach, thus creating a small pouch which, as mentioned previously, can be inflated or deflated. The thing to keep in mind regarding the lap band procedure is that it is not a cure-all. You will still need to eat healthy and exercise properly. Ultimately, a lap band procedure is quick, painless, and can help you with your weight loss goals. And because the pouch can be adjusted as needs arise, you will find that you get your goal faster and with much less effort. And unlike other options, a lap band procedure does not involve stapling, involves a shorter hospital stay, and is reversible. Brought to you by www.lapbanddoctors.com.